In this video, I will be showing you how to make Twitter account private, just like any other social media platform. When you have a private account on Twitter, only the people that follow you can see what you like, tweet, or follow on Twitter. And if you're here, I know that you wanted your account on Twitter to be private also. Here, I'm going to show you how. First, you need to launch your Twitter application and then kindly go to your profile by clicking your picture here. Scroll down and kind of look for settings and click settings and support. Once you click this one, below settings, scroll down and kind of look for privacy and safety. So you need to click this one. And then after clicking this one, to make your Twitter account private, click audience and tagging. And then once you're here, you can see protect your tweets, slide to the right, and you can see here only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. And that's how you make your account private. Once done, you can go back and feel free to share anything, your thoughts, your pictures, any ideas, because you know that only your followers can view your tweets. And if you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.